You look a little confused and stressed out. Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
You're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What do you do? I mean,
Hey, my name is Yash, actually, Yash Pandit. I'm a copywriter.
what kind of copywriting? So is it a particular kind of
No, no, it's a creative advertising thing.
and it's beautiful, is it?
It is.
I always admire these cooperators. I can't do these kind of work. So,
Thank you.
and what is the stress about? Do you want to share with me? I can understand I'm a stranger, but would you want to open up? Will it help you relieve yourself?
Sure, I'll try. The problem is that, I earn decent and I have a few investments, I have mutual funds, but still my financial life, I can't see it going somewhere, I mean, to a better location or to a better place. So I was just worried about that.
So here, you write copies, right?
Yeah,
So imagine if you're writing a copy, but you don't know what you want to communicate. What will happen to you?
I'll be clueless.
Exactly. And that's what's happening with your money, and that's what happens to everyone. People want to make a lot of money, they work hard, extra hours, longer hours, but it's not defined why you want to make money. Sounds weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's the way it is. I mean, the best way to approach is that. So, can I take this?
Sure.
Yeah. So, what you want to do is just make a small list.
Okay.
Just make a list, one,
Okay.
of all the things for which you want to make money, and don't hold your thoughts, just let it grow, just let it flowing, just keep making list of items, just go on and on and on and on and on,
Okay.
and don't hold back your thoughts. Dream big dreams, they have a funny way of coming true. So don't say, oh, I can't afford, oh, I can afford, oh, that's too large for me. Don't do that now. So if you feel that you want to own a Buckingham Palace, go ahead and write that.
Yeah, that's.
We'll see what we want to do with Queen later on.
Okay.
Now, once you've made that list, then the second step that you do is break it into two parts, responsibilities and dreams. And how would you do that? And I'll make your life simpler. One is, next to it, write down, I have to, or I wish I have. When you write I have to, that's your responsibility. When you say I wish I have, that's your dream.
Okay.
Does that make your life simpler?
It does, yes.
So if you have written that, so I give an example of Buckingham Palace. So I wish I have a Buckingham Palace. That's your dream, but I need a house. The pavement is not a nice place to sleep at night.
Yeah.
So make that list. It'll make your life easier. Those dreams, those responsibilities, and then start prioritizing them. Okay. So then obviously you'll get to top 3 priorities, and then write to it next to it. So priorities, and then by when would you like to achieve, and at no stage hold your thoughts. Let it go. You had no idea you would become a copywriter. You had no idea how much you will grow. So why hold back your thoughts? Do you hold back your thoughts when you write copy?
No, not at all.
For that matter, in any profession, we don't hold back our thoughts. Then why hold back thoughts here? And then next to it, write the amount. The moment you start doing this, you will start channelizing your income to achieve those goals. Then you will say you are moving towards it. This entire stress will go away. Right now, you're a wanderer.
Yeah.
Right? So if you're sitting in a taxi or a cab, and if you tell him, I don't know where I want to go, weird. He'll either throw you out or take him long ride, which is his goal of making a lot of money. People who don't work for their goals, work for somebody else's goals.